Hi everyone, welcome to your first English language course on my channel. In my lessons, I'm going to use the immersion technique on you as you listen to the English language and may see the subtitles in your language. First, we'll go over the basic pronouns, American small talk culture, and walk through simple conversation. My style is conversational, script-based, and I'll play some of my favorite games as I teach you. I'm playing F-099. Every language is different for all learners, and learning a language is not easy for anybody. It takes time. Now, let's go to the basic subjects, pronouns. Let's go over all of the essential pronouns. Subject pronouns. These pronouns are the subject of the verb. As an example, the important verb ever, go, which means to move, proceed from something else, usually followed by another noun as a place. I go to the market. You go to the market. She goes to the market. He goes to the market. It goes to the market. We go to the market. They go to the market. Subject pronouns are the most natural way to start a story, such as, today, I went to the market. And then suddenly, blah, 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 exciting event happens. Now, let's go over possessive pronouns. These pronouns prove ownership of objects. Let's have a natural example. This dog is mine. That dog is yours. That other cute dog is his. That cute dog is hers. This cute dog is ours. This pretty dog is theirs. The possessive pronoun for the word it's without an apostrophe is used in a sentence like this. The car washed its windows. Possessive pronouns aren't exactly conversational and sound, most of the time, textbook. Now, onto a special section, possessive adjectives modify nouns. Simply, they take place of a noun. Think of the other examples in a different structure. That's my dog. That's your dog. That's his cute dog. And that's her cute dog. That's our cute dog. And that's their adorable dog. In everyday spoken English, possessive adjectives are more conversational. Hey, Susie, I found your dog. Or, do you happen to know where my phone is? On to the last one, reflexive pronouns. Those are myself, yourself, himself, herself, ourselves, themselves, and itself. We often use reflexive pronouns when the subject and the object of a verb are the same. One example of a sentence is, I love myself. You should love yourself. He and she should love themselves. We should love ourselves. The robot loves itself. Let's practice a basic script-based conversation as an example of a conversation that may occur when you're visiting America and let's say you're paying for groceries. You put down your grocery items and the register starts talking to you. They'll usually say, hi, how are ya? And then you say, I'm okay, you? He says, I'm doing alright. You say, it's cold outside. He says, I know. And then there might be some awkward silence in between there. And then he might ask you, that'll be $70. Are you paying debit or credit? And then you'll say, I'll pay with debit. He says, alright, would you like your receipt? You say, oh, no thanks. Have a great day. He says, thanks, you too. So, now to American small talk. What no English textbook will cover, and what English professors may not cover. The subtextual conversation example I just showed you is American small talk. It's a very common exchange and with poor casual effort. It's meaningless conversation, that's polite, but in all honest fashion, Americans don't really care how you're doing, especially in a customer service setting. They're busy and talk to many customers, like in Starbucks. We're conditioned to talk in this script because it feels necessary, even when it's not. And asking each other how our day is irrelevant to the situational context. It's not exactly a form of pity talk or to be unintentionally mean to someone. The intention behind this small talk is that we're showing mutual respect, even if we don't entirely care about one another. The culture surrounds meeting with your American friends' friends. It surrounds environments in American work and even in our own families. It's unescapable. Foreigners do get tired of it, it's true, and I bet you might too once you learn the basics of English a lot more and are interested, because there's a lot of variations of small talk that isn't just limited to the traditional, hi, how are ya? And follow up with the weather. Well, that's it for today, and click on the next video soon.